Good Friday morning, afternoon, evening. Welcome aboard our Friday market wrap up here at Top Gun Options. And folks, I can't remember a better week of trading, man. I just posted that in our Max Afterburner group. I said, man, that was a great week of trading. I didn't have not one losing SPX sniper shot this week. And if folks had held those positions to expiration, they all would have expired for max profit. I think it was like 13 sniper shots this week. However, I am so glad this happened. Loss with Amazon, right? So, what did I tell you yesterday in the live? First of all, look at this. I think we started full throttle week, and the primary portfolio is at, 73, 74? Look at that. 10 grand just this week in the primary portfolio. But take a look at Amazon. I had an iron condor on, right? We covered this yesterday in our last free brief, the solo Amazon brief. And I said, hey, because look at it this week. The heart rate monitor on Amazon, 104, fade. 375, fade. Then yesterday, a little bit above 104. I'm like, nah. And then it slammed into the close yesterday. And I told you in solo Amazon yesterday, I said, hey, as long as Amazon finishes below 104 tomorrow, the Iron Condor could hit a max profit of whatever it was, $4,100. Or I could potentially lose $3,100 or whatever that max potential loss in that trade was. And then what happened today? Boom. It gapped up at the open, sold off a little bit, and then never looked back. So I love this. Hold on a second. You love the fact that you had a losing trade? Yeah, I kind of do. Because this entire week has been lights out trading on my part. That's not ego talking. That's fact. So losing bear call spread, part of the Iron Condor. Okay. So 31-ish $100. However, what happened today with some SPX snipes? Boom. So let me just scroll up right in the morning here. Saw the market slam. What did I do? I said, I think this is an overreaction. I sold the 4100, 4105 at a $1.20. Well, let's go look at SPX real quick. I love this stuff, folks. Look at today's chart. Let me hit today. What time did I post that? 10:50. Let's go look. 10:50. Where is 10:50? Right here. Look at this. 10:50 is right there. This implosion, what did I say? I said, nah, that's way overreacted. And I sold all the way down here, 4105. That's all the way down here, 4105. Kind of the low of the day, I sold a bull put spread down here. If you had held that one to expiration just now, you would have made a max profit. Okay? I got out of that one in like 10 or a nickel or 10 cents or something like that. And I also fired another one. Wherever the hell that one is. Nice snipes. Yeah, there it is. There's the closing trade for 10 cents. And another one. Oh, yeah, earlier in the day, I sold the 4120, 4125. And that one was a 70% snipe for $1,100. The 4120, 4125, I closed for 70 and 1,100. If you had held that to expiration, that's all the way up here. 4125 was down here. Another sniper that would have expired for max profit. Ladies and gentlemen, so that, quote, Amazon loss completely negated, essentially. I think the two snipers I took today, I don't know if they total around $3,000. Where's my notes are somewhere. It's close. So the two snipes I just did today negated that Amazon Iron Condor bear call spread loss. But I'm sitting here on this Friday market wrap-up video telling you that losing trades happen. But look at this. They're in here. they're in. Everything's in the green across our portfolios, except, and I fell on my sword for this one, this trade is still open. We have a bearish trade on Budweiser. Okay, getting ready for earnings in about 2 weeks. They can get on the earnings call and lie. Everything's great. No impact to our sales at all. That tens of millions of Americans aren't going to drink our beer anymore. They can absolutely get on the call and lie that there's been no change in our business bottom line at all. Even though you see videos almost every day of distributors from Nashville to across the country going, I can't even stock the shelves. They don't even want it. So I do have one trade currently that is underwater, and it's a Budweiser bear call spread. I'm holding it. I could be wrong. They could completely lie or not lie and tell the truth and say everything's great and they're printing money? I doubt it. So always, always, always have got to debrief losing trades, right? Lost on an Amazon bear call spread, but men lie, trades don't. Made up for it today with 2 sniper shots. What are you waiting for? I'm talking to you. Are you not a member? If you're not, there's only two Full Throttle memberships left. Solo Amazon's open. You can come in. It's only $97 a month or a 25% discount, $897 a year. You got to get in here, man. The Hunters is where to be. Or a Full Throttle annual membership. Head to go.topgunoptions.com/FT-Hunters. That stands for Full Throttle-Hunters. For $497 a month, you can get access to the investment club and Full Throttle. That's $6,000 a year. If you want to do an annual, you save 50% off the bat. As a businessman, I want you in here. As a good dude, upgrade and do the annual. It's $29.95. That's a sniper and a half. Today's 2 snipers paid for your annual membership. If Full Throttle week's over, folks. It was free. It was a week of trading. At the end of the day, instead of 18, I told you yesterday, I'm like, if that Iron Condor goes through the uprights, it'll be $18,000 in profitable trades this week. Wasn't. So 14 because of the Iron Condor loss, and then the 3-ish grand today with the 2 snipers. That's 17. Ladies and gentlemen, this week, free out in the open, except for the 2 snipes today that if you're not a member, you didn't get them, $17,000 in profitable trades. In this type of environment, folks, this type of just chop. You can profit in the chop, baby. SPX. Look at this. Short squeeze. I told you we'd peak. I told you Monday, right? Oh, that was the other trade that closed today for max profit. What did we do Monday in the free live trade brief? I did a 41.75, 41.80 bear call spread right here on Monday. That one expired for max profit of $21 as well. Don't believe me? Go watch the replay. Go watch Monday's replay on the replay page. Okay? Go.topgunoptions.com/FT replay. Pretty easy to remember that one. Folks, we're done. I'm done. We do these once a quarter. I open up the doors. I'm the only guy out there, or gal, or it, that opens up the doors. Not death by PowerPoint slides, not, hey, just give me some money and then come see what I do. I don't do that. Why? Because I perform. You come watch me perform. And if I sucked this week, I wouldn't have any customers. I don't. I have 2 or 3 memberships left, and that's it. And we're closing the doors. So if you had fun this week and saw all the profits and everything like that, pull the trigger. If not, good luck to you. I mean that in all respects, because if you're sitting at home alone in your bunny slippers, drinking a cup of coffee, trying to figure out what to do by yourself, it's going to be extremely hard, because I think bad is coming. And then right out here in the white space, I'm not going to tell you when unless you join, I'm bullish. So I'm kind of bipolar, and so am I. I'm short-term bearish and medium-term bullish. And I'm going to be right. Last chance, closing the doors. Go.topgunoptions.com/FT-Hunters. Men lie, trades don't. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. Fights on. Namaste. And basi basi.